Yeah.
No, you're good. You're good. What's going on, everybody? We're back. We got the Chief Sport, and we got the Tab Performance exhaust on it. We're here with Tyler and Kickstand Ty and Goose, and yeah, and they're gonna change out this exhaust. Right, guys? You guys are? Not me?
I mean, yeah, sure.
Not me?
I mean, we can make it a group effort. We can pass it off. So first, there's a million volts. You know what? I have, that's a hot bolt. A tray, a magnet tray.
Magnet tray.
I don't remember where I put it. There.
A magnet tray.
Magnet tray.
Oh shit. Gotta love a good magnet tray.
Magnet tray, make life better. I hope you like scratches on your exhaust, Steve. Goose.
Of course.
Okay, good. Maybe we should wait a second until this thing cools down a little bit. It's hot.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll come back.
We'll be back.
So what did you say it was? A 10 and a 14?
10 and a 15.
Oh, you have it already.
If you want, I brought it just in case, but yeah.
And if I'm gonna break tools, it better be someone else's, you know?
How is it now? Is it still hot?
Yeah, we're gonna try to do it without taking that cover off. It's loose right now.
I mean, you don't really need to take it off.
Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna be too much extension. Too much.
Yeah, because, it's really just like two pipes and the clamps on the end. One 15
Yeah.
right there, and then the other 15 is like underneath it in the same spot pretty much.
Loosey goosey. And then we're gonna
Loosey goosey.
see the goose over there? He's loose.
Ooh.
Are you loose, goose?
Nobody likes a loose goose.
I love it when the goose is loose.
Seemed like it was quite a bit of force.
It was a bit. I was also trying to be gentle because I don't want to snap anything off of his bike right now. That would be rude of me.
That would certainly void his warranty, I think. Say goodbye to your warranty. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, warranty. You shouldn't have to come all the way off.
I'm just kidding. This should not. Putting slip-ons on your bike should not void your warranty.
At least not for Indian.
Generally speaking, if a manufacturer wants to deny your warranty, they have to prove that the part you installed actually caused the failure.
Correct.
So they can't just say, oh, your gas tank exploding won't be covered because of exhaust pipes.
That's it.
You might need a hand with this.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna need him to pull them off once I get them loose, because they're gonna want to drop.
Now you got 10 millimeters on the end there.
Ugga bugga, ugga bugga.
I know, I need more extensions.
I think you should probably relax on the extension.
How easy though, like, you don't even need to take off any covers.
Yeah.
I mean, just generally speaking, like,
These bolts totally weren't loosened by the goose right before the video started either. For sure not, to make it look way easier.
what I'm seeing is that you're just super strong.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Your muscles.
Big daddy muscles. Bikers, dude.
God dang bikers.
Oh, freaking bikers. YouTube, Jesus. Don't want to get you demonetized.
I can bleep stuff out.
Oh,
Oh God. Gonna be down working on the computer for 10 hours just to handle all the profanity.
beep, 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 beep. Come on. I'm sure a lot of this will be sped up anyways.
For how quick this is going, I might have to leave it to be a long video just to have some content. My goodness. Oh, it's coming out slowly.
Yep. Can you go like twisting it?
Oh, that's exhausting.
Hey, look. That muffles some shit.
Oh yeah, we got it off. Whoa, I'm gonna have to blur that out.
Drop it.
There you go.
Give it back and forth. Not like a spin.
Oh, she's coming.
Yep, there you go.
Ooh. Heck yeah. We got it.
Nice pipe.
Nice pipe. Nice pipe, King.
You
Ooh.
Master Steve.
Save that for the Only Bikes account.
Yeah. All right, now start it up.
Oh no.
Is that what we're doing? Are we starting it up
Yeah, go ahead.
How loud is that gonna be?
with no pipes on?
You guys
Just for a second. Just for a second. See how?
Just for a second.
It's basically
just for a
being
second.
straight pipe. I mean, it's still got a.
Yeah, you need the key, don't you?
Well, it's close enough. That'll
You
work.
think so?
Still got fast.
Ooh, no pipes.
So you
That
want to put
sounds like
pipes on
a
it?
horse.
Dude, you're good. You don't need any pipes.
No.
That sounds amazing.
That
Well-
sounds really good.
All right, well, we're sending the slip-ons back to Tab Performance because this bike doesn't need any pipes at all, for that matter. Wow, that sounded really good.
All right.
Let me know what you think in
Okay.
the comments.
Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Should we just leave it with no pipes on it?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, talk shit in the comments, argue with me.
And for $3.99 a month, you can see pictures of my ass.
So, do the honors. Let's see this new pipe. Let's see these Tab Performance. What the heck is this pipe called? Wasn't it like called something? Something like Tab.
Systems and accessories. Oh, no, it's probably not it.
It's the Systems and Accessories pipe from Tab Performance.
This is the black slash tip zombie baffle is all it says.
That's all it says is black / cut zombie baffle. What is that?
You got some bolts?
Oh, dude. It's like a $650 sticker. Pipe came for free.
Yeah, did you see his $21,000 t-shirt?
Oh, yeah.
The bike came with it.
Wow, what a deal. What a deal. Let's see, now I gotta look up what pipes that we got, because I could have sworn they had a freaking name.
Ooh, those are so much shorter.
Chief, Sport Chief, there we go. What do we got here? Oh, okay, there are none. It's, yeah, they're just Tab Performance pipes.
Oh, and it's the matte too. It's like, it's almost like a powder coat looking.
It probably is a powder coat.
Wow,
Yep.
they are a lot shorter.
They're much shorter. And I don't know how you can call that a baffle.
What are you, a top? Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Beautiful, man. I love the finish. It should match up. It should match up pretty well to the black on the rest of the but it's got the nice tab performance on the tip right there. So we figured out that you got to put that first pipe on, the top pipe on, so that way the little mounting bracket is on the inside.
Need hammer. Hammer.
Hammer.
I hear hammer.
Hammer.
Give me hammer. Ready? I'm a very gentle man, actually.
One unga bunga. All right, after way too much struggling, we finally got the pipes on. They look really good though, I'm not gonna lie. It almost looks like the original pipes, so it gives it a very stock look. Yeah, it looks good. Looks freaking
Definitely
good.
shorter, definitely thinner also.
With the Zombie Baffles. Dude, that sounds so good. Dang, that sounds good. If you like the way that Indian sounds, give me a like. If you want to see more videos with the Sport Chief, subscribe.